morning. So I'm so sorry I'm looking like this because I just woke up and I thought to edit something, but what happened is my entire system is filled up, and even the SD card which I'm shooting is almost filled up. Just some spaces there. I know I'm looking very ugly, but I thought let me just talk to you. And I just don't want to use any filters like makeup or anything. I want to be like, I want to show my natural face also very often. Say this. This is entirely filled up, so I just, added this hardware and I'm just gonna move some stuff from here to there. So this is my hard disk. Do you guys also keep your hard disk or any new things in plastic covers? Because we do think, right, that if it's in plastic cover it will stay safe, and we just keep it in the packing. I do keep it. So this is actually almost 3 to 4 years old, but I still keep it in the plastic cover and it looks like new one. See, it literally looks like new one. So this is what I like to do. Let me know, what do you guys do? So I am just editing the previous video which I made, and right now I'm just exporting it. So once it's done, I'll be good to go and upload it. I took a bath and I did my hair wash today, so I'm all set and it's my office time, so I'm just gonna sit and do some work. And I think whatever I edited, even that is ready, so I'm just gonna have a look at that and do my office work.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So I was just editing this video and it's all set. I'm just exporting it. It's all set. So once it's done, I'll just upload the video. And yes, I've also changed. I need to go out to get something for a few little things. I'm not going for shopping or anything. I am back from out, and after coming back I took a bath. We always do that whenever we go out. We try to sanitize everything and take a bath so that we don't carry the virus home, because that's very important these days. So if you guys are not following, try to at least sanitize, and if possible take a bath, wash all your clothes which you used for outside, and that will be really good. I think everybody should follow it to keep themselves and their family safe. It's not for anyone else, it's for you. So I think you should do that. But yeah, I did that. Everybody in our family do that. Yeah, so now it's actually dinner time and I'm planning to make a corn and peas subway. I don't think I'll be able to show any entire process to you, but I'll definitely try to shoot some bits and show it to you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
I have made the corn and peas ready, and I have cut few vegetables, and also my bun is ready. I'm just gonna put the cheese slice same exactly like how they do it in Subway. And so my cheese slice is ready, and because I have to show everything in the same frame, that's why I have kept it like very close. Yeah. And okay, I just have to cut this cheese slice into 2 triangles. Yes, and I have to keep these slices like this. Okay, maybe I just have to cut it more, and keep it like this. And I'm gonna bake it little bit. I have kept my cheese slices and I'm just gonna bake it little bit, and then I will see. I think 2 are more, so I'm just removing 2 and I'm just gonna bake this much. I'm gonna put this inside the oven. So this is out from oven and it's good. So I'm just gonna put some cabbage because I don't have lettuce. So I'm just gonna put some cabbage. I'm gonna put some onions, some tomatoes, because I like lot of vegetables. So I'm just gonna put so many vegetables like this, and just gonna put some corn and peas. Just gonna spread it a little bit. Yes, and I'm just gonna add one more cabbage so that it doesn't fall. I'm just trying to protect it, and let me try to close it. And this is, I have to close it like this. And here it is ready. Subway is ready. I'm back with my ugly face again. I don't know, I think in this entire vlog I'm looking so ugly, and I have not done anything. I think this vlog is the most boring vlog, I think. Yes, it's so boring. Hope you at least like a little bit, maybe at least the subway part. I hope you like it. Thank you so much still bearing with me and watching till the end. Bye bye. Love you all. And don't forget to subscribe.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's